let's get into it. I'm gonna set this up outside. Ooh, look at this bus. Fancy. Dang it. Wait, can I drive it? I can drive it. Thought I couldn't drive it at first because it wouldn't let me. Oh, I remember this game. This game was fun a long time ago. In like 2019, that's all people would play this game. At least that I remember of. Armored bus or snowmobile bus. I want to see how it holds up. No, I should probably get out. I don't want to get ran over by a train like that guy did. You can look at that. Aw, dang it, I died. I got hit by a train. Wait, I already have that badge. Yes. Let me go find something I can do. Should I do that? No. It's not me enough. Nah. Definitely not. Maybe. No. Need something long. Big. Like longer than the fire truck in that bus I just had. Ooh, the snow car. Snowmobile car thing. That's sick. Like, that thing is cool. Limo. Does not as long. Frick, why is that one different? Nothing? Dude, there's like nothing that I need. I'll just use the bus. I love destroying things. It makes me come alive. Dang it, he's dumb person, move. Right menu, dude. What did I just click? Didn't know that was there. Dang it. By the way, I'm still here. Well, I didn't know that bus was here. Let me out. Let me out! Oh, freaking almost just died. Double bus, though. Like, yas. Yas, queen. Bro, why is it broken? I want Santa Claus. The bus. I want a bus. Give me the bus. Yes. The one that will stop the train. I can make it. Oh no. That's not ending up good for me. Well, that's all I got. Bye.